Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and in today's video we're gonna discuss about Thanksgiving event which is going on in season 1 day 4. Okay, so there's a new Thanksgiving event is going on right now. You can go to the Thanksgiving event and claim these tokens, and as you complete all the tasks you can get more tokens. Okay, so you just have to complete the simple tasks like login, help allies, give turkeys, recruit heroes, make donations, etc., and you can claim it here. And after that you can get these Thanksgiving tokens, ingredients, and legendary shards in return. So there's a Thanksgiving store given here, as you can get all these for free, and all these after you purchase the pass. So we'll go to the Thanksgiving store where we can redeem our all those turkeys which can be converted from tokens to turkeys. And here you can go to Thanksgiving lottery, and clicking by gift box you will get some turkeys received from your alliance mates as a gift, and you can draw them and win the participation prizes as tokens of turkey. And you can see I'm getting some participation and second prizes which can be used in Thanksgiving store. Also you can gift a turkey or get turkeys from here. Just click on the gift turkey to gift turkeys, and to make turkeys click on the make turkeys and click on this cook button to get one turkey converted from ingredients. You can see we have converted the turkey, and now you can gift turkey to your alliance mates or anyone from your server. So you can search your friend's name and enter your message also to give them turkey, or you can send directly from over here, just like I'm sending my friend Sangha to one turkey. And you can see in return I got a lottery ticket for that. You can send as many as turkeys if you have that ingredients to convert the turkeys. And you can see I got those tickets, and I will again draw them, and I got some tickets from that, and I can use that in here. So you can see there are lots of rewards in here, so you can redeem whatever you want. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. You can subscribe in return.